In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly plan. Whether you're looking to upgrade for more features or adjust your subscription to better suit your current needs, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that will make the process as smooth as possible. Let's begin by heading over to Calendly's homepage. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your web browser. You'll find yourself on the landing page of this popular scheduling tool designed to make appointment booking a breeze. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you'll have a few options for signing in. For many, the most convenient option is to use their Google account, which simplifies the login process. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Now you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If you're like most people, you might have more than one Google account, so make sure you choose the one that's associated with your Calendly subscription. Once you've made your selection, you may be asked to continue with the chosen account. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From managing your meetings to personalizing your schedule, the dashboard gives you access to everything you need. But for now, we're focused on changing your plan. So let's navigate to the next step. Look for the Admin Center on your dashboard. It's usually located on the left side menu or at the bottom of your profile picture drop-down menu. The Admin Center is where you can adjust settings, manage subscriptions, and more. Once you've clicked into the Admin Center, you'll find yourself in the heart of your account's backend. From here, locate and click on the Billing section. This will take you to a page that outlines your current plan details, payment information, and various subscription options. In the billing section, you'll be presented with different Calendly plans, each offering a unique set of features tailored to meet various needs. Take a moment to review these plans. Compare them against your current subscription to decide which plan aligns best with your requirements. Whether you're scaling up your business or you just need a few more features than what your current plan offers, this is where you make the switch. Select the plan you want to change to by simply clicking on it. You'll usually see a button or link to select or upgrade to the new plan. It's always a good idea to double check the plan details, pricing, and any applicable terms before proceeding. Remember, upgrading or downgrading your plan may result in immediate changes to your account and billing, and that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of changing your Calendly plan. It's a straightforward process, but each step is essential to ensure you're selecting the best subscription for your needs. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Always consider the long-term impact of changing your plan. If you're unsure, Calendly often provides a trial period for their premium features, which can be a great way to test out a plan before committing. Also, remember to keep an eye on your billing cycle. Upgrading or downgrading your plan mid-cycle may have prorated charges or credits applied to your account. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made it clear and manageable for you to change your Calendly plan. Whether you're gearing up for growth or scaling back, Calendly offers the flexibility to adapt your subscription as your scheduling needs change. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Calendly's support team or drop us a comment below. Happy scheduling, E.